A square pyramid having base at 30 mm, axis at 50 mm long, is resting on its base on the ground, with all faces equally inclined to VP. That is first case. And the second case is with one edge parallel or perpendicular to VP. It is cut by a section plane at an angle 45 degrees to the HP and bisect the axis of the pyramid. Develop the lateral surface of the pyramid. So in this question, so let us take the first option with all faces equally inclined to VP. So as the pyramid is resting on the ground on its base, in the top view we can see the base apex also. Also we can see the slant edges. Now, so let us draw a reference line. Name it as X. This is Y. Now draw the square. Select the polygon. Number of sides 4. Then click on edge. So click here. Switch on ortho. Side is given 30. Now in this square, all sides are not making equal inclination with respect to VP. Two are making parallel to VP and remaining two are making perpendicular to VP. So rotate this object about any point and the angle is 45 degrees. Now see, this is how it comes. Now give the point names here. This is A, B, C and D. Also identify the center of this square. So here, from here, join all the base corners. All these are the slant edges in the top view. And the peak point is O. Draw the projectors from these points to obtain the front view. B and D comes on same projector. This is C projector. And the axis height is given from the center, that is pm long. Now this is a peak point, so its name comes. This is O dash. Now draw the slant edges. Now give the base points in the front view. This is A dash. So this comes B dash, comma D dash. This is C dash. So now draw the section plane. Pyramid is cut by a section plane. The section plane is 45 degrees inclined to HP. So I'm drawing a line, angle 45. Move, holding at midpoint and connect at this midpoint of the BO. That is also midpoint of the axis. So change this style into section plane. Name it. Its name is VT. Now see, this section plane is intersecting all the slant edges. A dash O dash slant edge is intersecting at this point. There, mark a point. And B dash O dash is intersecting at this point. Similarly, C dash O dash is intersecting here, and D dash O dash also intersecting at the same point as B dash O dash. So give the point names here. P dash, and this is Q dash, R dash, and S dash. Now see, point P is on A dash O dash slant edge, point Q is on B dash O dash slant edge, point R is on C dash O dash slant edge, point S is on D dash O dash slant edge. Okay. Now, so in the top view, when you see AO and OC or CO, these are the two slant edges parallel to X file N, and remaining to BO and DO, these are perpendicular to X file N. That means in the front view, AO slant edge and CO slant edge are parallel to VP. So these two are giving the true length of slant edges, and remaining two are reduced lengths like BO and DO. So this is the sectional front view. Now draw its lateral surface development. Before that, let me draw the truncated portion of this pyramid. Let me make this as bold. Next, to draw the surface development. So to draw the surface development, I'm copying this OC line, since it is a true length slant edge. Copy this, hold at this point. So place here. Now mark this point as O. This is A. Now OA as radius, O as center. Strike an arc with some length, and on this arc, step up with base side length. So mark the points on this arc at a distance of base side. So now, so base side is given as 30 mm. Now I'm taking circle A as center. I'm taking the radius as 30. Now the circle is intersecting this arc at this point. There I'm marking a point. So its name is B. Next, from B to C, 30 mm again. So move the circle center from A to B. Now change the circle center from B to C. This is C. Now this intersection point is D. Now move the center of the circle from C to D. So mark one more point as the last point A. Starting point and ending point will be A. Now delete this circle. Draw the slant edges from these points to peak point. Also join these points on the curve A to B straight line, B to B straight line, so B to C straight line, C to D straight line, and D to A. This A to B, B to C, C to D, D to, these are the base edges. Now coming to this sectional front view, project all these new points PQRS, or intersection points PQRS, onto this AO. QS comes here and R comes here. Now on AO, point P is there, that is the point P is here. This is P. Take a circle, O as center, OP as radius. Now on this OA side also we will get point P. Next we have point Q on BO slant edge. Now change the circle radius as to this point. Now the circle is intersecting BO at this point. Mark there point Q. This is point Q. Also at same height, it is intersecting the point. It is intersecting the DO at S. So mark the point S on DO. Copy. Now change the radius of the circle. This point to this point. So this point is indicating the R. So point R is on CO slant edge. So here mark at this intersection point on CO the circle. Select the circle, delete. Now join these points with a polyline A to P, P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to P, and P to A. Done. This polyline, make it thick. So this is the construction of lateral surface development of a square pyramid with all sides are equally inclined to VP.